Is it possible that deviations and incidents are not happening in pharmaceuticals? Can pharmaceuticals run without deviation and incidents? No, not possible. Friends, I am Nimesh Mistry from Pharmaceuticals, and today our topic is deviations and incidents in pharmaceuticals. Also see the difference between the deviation and incidents. A huge number of pharmaceutical professionals get difficulties to differentiate the incidents and deviation when they occur in real. So, today first we would discuss on deviation, type of deviation, and then on incidents. What is deviation? Definition of deviation according to expert, according to me, when we have any written procedure like SOP, STP, BMR, BPR protocol which is approved and implemented, and when any employee of the organization works against this, then it is called deviation. Deviation can be of two different types: planned deviation, unplanned deviation. What are the differences between planned deviations and unplanned deviations? Planned deviations are those deviations that we know before they occur. Even we ourselves are deviating them. Take some examples. Calibration and validation is not carried out as per schedule due to delay for various reasons. Next, batch size of any product is changed. Approved vendor is changed. Last but not the least, manufacturing process is shifted from one location to another location or from one facility to another facility. You can see in these all examples that we ourselves are deviating them. We know that they are going to be deviated, and whenever any planned deviation happens, it can be implemented through change control system only. Now, unplanned deviations. Unplanned deviations are those deviations that can be happen accidentally. In other words, failure of the material, equipment, process, procedure or system occurs, then it is called unplanned deviation. Unplanned deviation may be minor, major or critical. Let's see the differences in all three unplanned deviations. Minor deviation. When the deviation does not affect quality attributes, testing parameters, process parameters and finished product parameters. Here finished product parameters are purity and safety. Then it is called minor deviation. Take one example. In store department, skip first in first out system, FIFO system during dispensing stage, and due to minor deviation neither quality attributes nor any other parameters will get impacted. Next, major deviation. When the deviation affect quality attributes, testing parameters, process parameters, but which cannot affect finished product parameters, purity and safety, then it is called major deviation. One example, production start without line clearance. If production start without line clearance, then there are maximum chances to carry forward previous product traces into the next product, which will definitely affect two process parameter. Either it is manufacturing stage or packing stage. Last, critical deviation. When the deviation affect quality attributes, testing parameters, process parameters and finished product parameters, purity and safety, then it is called critical deviation. Critical deviation may have impact on patient. It may have impact on patient's health. Take two examples. Expired or rejected material used in manufacturing. Next, tap water used instead of purified water or WFI water in process. You can see these both examples, they will direct affect to finished product parameters, purity and safety. So, here we have talked about deviation, type of deviation and also took some examples of each one. Now, we would discuss about incidents. What is an incident? An incident is an event that can affect our product quality or not, but that is against CGMP. Here CGMP stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practice. Incidents may have impact to product quality, but not every time. Sometimes it will not impact. Take 2 to 3 examples. Spillage of material. Spillage of material during dispensing stage, during manufacturing stage, or maybe any stage at any time. Next, breakdown of machine, breakdown of instruments. And last one, any employee found without gowning in production area. You see all these examples, they are like unplanned deviations. They are similar to unplanned deviations, but they are not covered in unplanned deviations because they are not related to manufacturing process. So friends, today we have talked about deviation, type of deviation and incidence, which are very important and mandatory requirements in pharmaceuticals, because it is impossible that deviations and incidents are not happening in pharmaceutical. That's about to happen and no one can stop it. But there are systems in pharmaceuticals to control it properly. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll meet again with new topic of pharma. Thank you.